sa'yo. At kung maubos ay, dito pala ako. Parang naano ako sa out of tune to challenge natin Sayang kasi hindi ako makasali Anyways, happy 4 years anniversary to us TPC family! And sobrang happy ako. Grabe, 4 years na tayo. 4 years na tayong magkasama, nagkakulitan sa group chat natin. Pero alam kong nasa iba't ibang app na tayo. Yung iba na sa Kumu, sa Smule pa rin, and yung iba na sa TikTok. But still, our friendship, yung pamilya ng TPC, andito pa rin, solid pa rin tayo. For me, enough na sa akin yun. Kasi alam ko naman na lahat tayo ay busy, pero hindi pa rin natin nakakalimutan na magkakamustahan. Ayan. Hindi ko na patatagalin pa. I would like to say thank you sa dalawang sponsors natin, kay Kuya Juan Diego, Kuya JD, thank you so much. CC Rach, thank you sa pag-sponsor din sa Maybe This Time na Dance Challenge. Itong tatlong na pumintig sa puso ko sa Out of Tune Challenge. Thank you. Kayo po ang top 3 ko sa challenge na ito. Congratulations! And thank you din sa lahat ng mga sumali, sa mga nagbigay ng entries ninyo. Thank you so much. And congratulations everyone. Happy 4th year anniversary, guys. And I miss you. Love you all. Bye!
Ever since everlasting, that you will always be mine. I don't wanna be free, so let me fly. Cause you know in my heart, baby, our love will never die, no.
You'll always be a part of me. Don't you know you can't
Escape me, ooh darling, cause you'll always be my baby.
Boy, I wanna stand in your way, but inevitably you'll be back again. 'Cause you know in your heart, baby, our love will never end. No. Oh no. You'll be right.
good luck to me. TTC! Ito ang aking entry. Ang sintonadong Vic. Happy anniversary! Nag-iisa at hindi mapakali, ibang-iba pala pag wala ka sa aking tabi. Pinipilit kong limutin ka, ngunit di magawa. Sa bawat kong galaw ay laging hanap ka. Isang kagaya mo na nagmahal at nagtiyaga sa isang katulad ko. Bakit nga ba di ko man lang mabigyan ng halaga? Nagsisisi ngayong wala ka na. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Di ako mabubuo kung di kita kasama. Nasanay na ako na lagi kang nariyan. Di ko kayang mag-isa, puso ay pagbigyan. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Nag-isa sa bawat sandali, pinababing lang natin ang ating naging umasa, na sana'y maging tayong dalawa muli. Sa puso ko'y wala kang kapalit. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Di ako mabubuo kung kakasama. Nasanay na ako na lagi kang nariyan. Di ko kayang mag-isa, puso ay pagbigyan. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Di ako mabubuo pag di ka kasama. Sanay na ako, lagi kang nariyan. Di ko kayang mag-isa, puso ay pagbigyan. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Kulang ko kung wala ka. Oh my God! Lead me, Lord,
Lead me by the hand and help my face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that love may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely road that I may face. Take my arms and let your heart show me the way. There's the way to live inside your heart. All my day, all my life. You are my light, you're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light, I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Lord. Even through the time I'd rather go along the way. Help me through to take my right direction. Take your road. Lead me, Lord, and never leave my side. All my day, all my life. You are my light. You're the love upon my feet. You're the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light, I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. You are my light, you're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light, I just cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life, all through my day. Oh, lead me, oh Lord. Lead me, Lord.
Hello, TPC! Happy 4th year anniversary ulit. Salamat pala sa mga entries na sinabit nyo sa ating mga challenges. Congratulations sa mga nanalo sa ating Sing Tonado Challenge or sa ating Out of Tune Singing Challenge. Di ba ang hirap? Grabe, as in. Nung ako nga, nakailang araw kaya ako, sinasabi ko na ayoko na today, bukas na lang o susunod na. Tapos, ilang beses ko inuulit, ang hirap kasi sanay tayong kumakanta, tapos alam na alam natin yung kanta. Ang hirap ang hirap i-sing tonado. Ayun. Anyway, congratulations sa lahat ng winners. So ngayon, hindi naman pwedeng wala tayong group sing, 'di ba? Kaya nga tayo family, kaya tayo group, 'di ba? Kasi we are as one, right? So hindi pwedeng mawawala yung group sing natin, especially sa mga important events like today sa ating anniversary, 'di ba? So anyway, introduce ko lang sa inyo yung first group sing natin. Ang title nito is Salamat by Yeng Constantino. So from the word salamat,
So thank you. Thank you for staying with TPC after 4 years and then counting more years to come, diba? So again, I'm very proud to introduce this group sing. So thank you sa lahat ng sumali. I really appreciate your time. So here we go. Sana mag-enjoy kayo.
Kung ito man ang muling awitin na awitin, nais kong malaman mo kay bahagi na ng buhay ko.
Kung may huling sasabihin, nais kong sambitin, ilagyan mo ng kulay ang mundo. Kasama kita lumuha, dahil sa'yo ako'y may pag-asa. Ito'y para sa'yo, at kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi. Marinig ang narinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat. Sana'y iyong marinig ang timpok ng damdamin. Ikaw ay mahalaga sa akin, ang awitin ko'y iyong dinggin. At kung marinig ang panalangin, lagi kang naroroon, humihiling ng pagkakataon. Masabi ko sa'yo ng harapan, kung gaano kita kailangan. Ang awitin ito'y para sa'yo, at kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi.
TPC, my dear friends, my family online, happy anniversary. Tagalan natin, pwede na tayong kakasal. Di lang engage, pwede na ikakasal. Pag relationship talaga, tatanungin na tayo ng parents natin, hoy, kaya ka magkakasal? Gusto ko na apo. Congratulations for staying so strong. Nakalampas na ng madami. Diyos ko, we survived COVID ba naman. Tapos, nandito pa rin tayo. Makulit pa rin. Thank you to everybody sa TPC. You guys always make me happy. Pag nasasad ako or lonely ako, pupunta ako sa chat. Natatawa ako agad. Thank you for always being there, for actually being like true friends, not just like online friends. Like, thank you for all the people here. Happy anniversary to us, and take care, everybody. God bless.
Hi TPC family, happy 4th year anniversary to us, and God bless. And sana wag natin kalimutan kung saan tayo nagsimula, at kahit na may mga sarili-sarili tayong mga pinapursue, and kahit busy na tayo, wag natin kalimutan ng TPC family. Yun lang, and God bless to us, more years to come, and I love you guys.
Hello! Happy 4th year anniversary to my TPC family. Congratulations, guys!
She smiled like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. Oh, diba? Akala niyo sasayaw ako, no? No, 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 no. Ipapaubaya natin yan sa mga sumali sa mga, sa Maybe This Time Challenge. Gusto ko lang batiin ang The Power Chords ng happy 4th anniversary. And sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pagkanta natin. And also yung friendship na binuo natin. Good luck sa mga nanalo. And ang hirap-hirap talaga mag-judge. So, alam nyo ba na nag-ask pa ako ng help sa mga ibang friends ko para lang makapag-decide kung sino talaga ang winner sa challenge na to. So, thank you so much, and more power. I love you guys!
Hello! Happy anniversary sa atin lahat. Uy, ang bilis ng panahon, no? Nakaka-4 na taon na tayo. Enjoy nyo lang yung pagkanta at good vibes lang palagi.
Hi! Happy anniversary, TPC! Congratulations, and my wish is for this group to stay more stronger and longer.
Hello, guys! I would like to greet my The Power Chords family a happy 4th year anniversary. May God bless us with more years to come, friendship, and music.
Hi everyone, may our band continue to flourish and bring endless glee. Happy anniversary to Power Chords.
Hello guys! It's me again, your MD, Sheena. Ayan, so malapit nang matapos yung program natin, but TPC family will stay forever, diba? So may hinanda tayong second group sing. Ayan. Hindi naman pwedeng isa lang, di ba? At least dalawa man lang. So, change tayo ng genre kasi usually ng mga group sings natin are ballads, mga mellows, mga love songs, di ba? So, ngayon, change naman tayo. Rock and roll tayo. At saka napaka-challenging din ng song na to for the boys kasi mataas talaga yung pitch nito. Di ba kanina usually mga solo natin are girls? So ngayon, bigyan naman natin ng chance yung boys na mag-solo. Tsaka ang gagaling nila as in. Ang hirap ng song kasi mataas. Siyempre, it's from the legendary, ang arte, diba? Legendary John Bon Jovi. Diba? So, proud ako sa kanila kasi nagawa nila, nakanta nila ng maayos. As in, ang galing talaga ng TPC, diba? Mapa boys man or girls, lahat magaling. Diba? We claim it. Kasi totoo naman talaga, magaling naman talaga tayo. Diba? So, anyway, happy ako sa song na to kasi this is one of my favorite song from John Bon Jovi. Kaya ito din yung napili ko. Tsaka alam ko naman kayang-kaya to ng boys natin eh. Kaya pakinggan natin, sana mag-enjoy tayo. I'm happy to introduce this next song, group sing, covered by TPC Family, entitled Living on a Prayer by John Bon Jovi. Enjoy!
used to walk on the dice. You've been astride, is out on his lucky star. So tough. Gina works the diner all day, working for her man. She brings home her pay for love, for love. She says we gotta hold on to what we got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot. Whoa, we're halfway there. Whoa, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Whoa, living on a prayer.
Tommy got six ringing hard. Now he's holding in what I used to make it talk so tough. Ooh, it's tough.
Gina just running away. When she cries in the night, told me whisper, baby, it's okay. Someday we gotta hold on to what we got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot.
Whoa, we're halfway there. Whoa, living on a prayer.
there you go, guys! That's it for our 4th year anniversary celebration. Pero of course, hindi dito nagtatapos ang TPC, di ba? Kung pwede palang forever, di ba? Why not? But of course, may kanya-kanya tayong buhay, may kanya-kanya tayong pinagkakabalahan every day. Diba? Like priorities, family, kids, work, school, negosyo, at iba pa. So we really appreciate you. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for the friendship. More years to come para sa atin lahat. So I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa program natin. Short, but I think it was fun. So especially sa mga nakilahok na ating program, sa ating mga challenges at iba pa. Thank you at saka congratulations sa lahat ng winners. And of course, huwag natin kalimutan magpasalamat sa ating mga sponsors, kay Bro J, kay Kuya JD, at kay Sisi Rach. Mabuhay kayong tatlo. Thank you so much for sharing your blessings to the whole family. So, nakakatuwa din pakinggan yung mga group sings natin. So, nag-improve talagang lahat. Sa mga solo at sa atin. As in, super happy ako kasi nag-improve lahat. So, keep singing, guys. Wag natin kalimutan na magpasalamat kay Lord sa talent na binigay niya sa atin. So, ayan, that's it, guys. Happy 4th year anniversary sa lahat. God bless at mabuhay tayong lahat. Thank you. Bye!